This thing's got a title, has a motor. What? It's done. Boys, we found
turbo.
We found a $100 boat we were about to check out. Oh, this thing's a gem.
Let's go.
This thing's a gem.
Oh, he's home.
Imagine
He's
if
home.
it runs though.
Here we go. Here we go, boys. All right, let's take a walk up there.
Prop digging into the grass. Good sign.
That's fine. That's fine.
I love it.
Dude, this will...
No, that'll actually...
Yeah. Someone get... You gotta lift it up in the center.
Yeah, if it doesn't have a motor, it's
$10.
Yeah.
$10 just for the trailer.
Oh, it's got an extra prop in the seat.
Yeah. Let's go talk to him.
Definitely does not have a motor.
Yeah, I don't think it does. How's she running, bud? Like those Canadian guys on TikTok. It doesn't have a motor.
If it doesn't have a motor, let's leave.
No doorbell.
Just pull the door. Oh, got a dog.
What's up, guys?
How's
Oh.
it going?
Looking at the
Got a title, has a motor. What, 4-cylinder he said?
Yeah.
Get the extra prop in there.
You say we could take this.
Yeah. 4-cylinder.
Yeah, what else?
It's been winterized. What else did he say I'm missing?
I don't know. I mean,
Nothing. I mean,
Dude.
the trailer rust free.
All right, we're gonna
Just throw a clear coat on.
We're gonna do our professional inspection on this thing. Oh, dude, look it. That's gonna look mint. Clean interior.
pull this thing out of here.
All right.
Hey, at least you had a motor.
Give him a moment of truth. Oh, ho, ho.
Oh my god, bro. This thing needs a little work here. It's a little flimsy.
Have oil on it.
Oh, she's dirty, but she's got oil.
Hell yeah. Carb. Single carb
Yep.
there.
Single carb. 470 Merc.
Battery.
Fuel.
Bakuni on there.
What?
Alrighty, boys. If this don't get her going, I don't know what will.
Spent half the boat
Let's get
here
started.
and
Half the budget gone.
Let's get started.
got the specialty Phoenix stuff. Little tip, guys.
All right, let's go to.
Super gas.
Yeah, let's throw it
Throw a
all
little
in
bit
there.
of that in there.
It's new type for this boat. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, it's nice and clean.
Dude, look how
too.
nice and seized up that looks,
So that-
boys. That is not good. That is not what you want to see in a gas tank.
It's
At all,
alright.
boys. At all.
We have a carb.
We're gonna get started though.
Does
We-
this thing have a fuel?
Do like
pump?
fit half of that.
Well, too late.
Should we do half of
that
this?
all?
This is for 20 gallons.
I
That's
don't
just
know.
gonna.
I mean, we could use it.
Where does it say? Doesn't say, dude. We
It's
should
just-
probably just put it all.
What do you think?
Probably just put it all.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
Get
it's
her all.
not-
That one though, I would hold back a little bit.
That's gonna like
It's the
deliver-
super
That's
stuff.
gonna like.
Yeah, I would hold back on that one.
Any companies wanting to sponsor us for this stuff?
Yeah, that's probably
That's enough there.
that's enough there. Hold up. Put the red one on. Turn it on.
Try her out.
Ready?
Sure.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think you're ready. Cycle it in one more time. Oh yeah, she's just
Dumping straight out.
dumb. Yeah, that's just
Carb needs some work,
Could,
boys.
She ain't been out in 40 years.
Shit.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, money.
Just thread the nut back on her.
Smart.
Oh yeah, there she goes.
716 maybe?
There you go. There she goes. We can use a socket on the stuff that we can get to. If we had that swivel or whatever. Oh, sorry.
Hold on, you might need a flathead.
Ready?
Yeah. should just crack. Careful, because there's gaskets.
Yeah, she's not just a cracker.
Here.
Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna go all the way around the seal and then try to crack it loose.
All right, 3-man job to get this thing cracked, but started to.
Oh. Oh, that looks
Hold on, we gotta.
Oh, we got the linkage here.
Yeah. That's what it looks like.
Oh, there's a little like cotter pin on it. If on that part at least.
Mine's getting this thing to soak.
How much you got?
Put
Like
it
an
in
inch?
soak. No.
The stuff's
That's how you do it right here.
Wait. The carb.
Oh,
And
carb cleaner in the bake.
What?
No, just stuff the carb. Alright, just put it in.
No, now your cookies are gonna taste better.
Alright, little
Here.
baking soda.
No, let me just sprinkle
and,
it in.
Alright. Put it in the carb.
Oh my gosh, bro. People are
Little
gonna think we're dumb.
baking soda mixed with white vinegar
Yeah,
and
give it a
carb
little
cleaner, because we're too broke to afford enough.
That is.
You might want to give that a little.
Dilute that into the mixture a little bit.
Alright, it's the next day and the carb is pulled. Oh my gosh, look at how much cleaner it is inside.
Alright, boys, got the car back on. It's after the winter now, but we're gonna see what happens.
See what she'll do. You'll probably have to spray some.
She wants to.
Should start it right now.
1 sec.
Yeah, I'm messing with the throttle.
Okay.
Yeah, move that shit.
It was. It's in neutral, isn't it?
No,
The prop still spins, Brady.
Alright. Try it.
I think that's the longest it's ever ran for.
Should we put more gas in it?
hit it with a little bit.
Yeah, 1 sec.
Alright, see what happens.
Ready?
Yeah.
Everything's clear back there?
Yeah.
She's a runner.
She's a ripper.
Alright.
Not that much throttle. What?
No.
The only way it turns the motor over is
It
if
only
there's
starts
throttle.
if there's.
Just a very little.
Wait, yeah, open the throttle up fully and then let me spray it in. Have to put a pin through there.
You already put
Hold her wide.
Hold her wide?
Yeah.
Not while cranking.
Not right now. Double barrel, baby. Double barrel for the win.
That's the blower.
Alright.
We don't need the blower.
Got the hatch.
The hatch.
At least that works
We're
though.
just
We
making
didn't
sure
need
it
that.
works.
Alright.
Ready?
Fire in the hole. I'll
Poke a
put.
hole in the cap.
Oh yeah, it's a good idea. You mean like squirt?
Yeah.
Can do that too.
And squirt it.
Smart one.
I know, right?
Got a smart Jeff over there.
See how this works?
Good.
Oh yeah. Gets it feel all
Yeah, now
over.
if it goes in flames, we're all fucked.
Alright, boys.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You want it open?
Give her a squirt.
Ready?
Yup.
Crap. Oh shit. Extinguisher.
Just stomp on it.
Shoot.
It's good. It's good. It's good.
Hey, good thing there was a hole.
Hey,
in
the
cap.
bottle's saved still. All right, that's good.
Holy.
That's good.
Good thing there was a hole in the cap and not a hole.
Holy boys. It's dialed though. No,
That's why you.
it fucking fired right up.
Yeah.
Let's do it
Alright,
again.
Let's hook fuel
No,
up
yeah,
and
let's-
take it to the pond.
Yeah.
Like,
You also need to.
No, we know it runs off fuel.
yeah,
It started right up.
She likes it too.
Yeah, but we need to get a fuel pump to work for it to stay running
Yeah.
before we hit any water.
So how can we inspect the tank? Or should we just pump it all out?
You pull the sender
we gonna
out
do that,
and
though?
you inspect it. Well, what you do is you pull the sending unit out and then you pump it out.
Right
through
here?
there. You siphon it.
All right.
Yeah. Like a whole stream through.
We're gonna
can
hook
take
it
the
up to
line.
the normal pump
It
and
does-
just pump it out of
It
that.
still
fuel line on the
doesn't
car.
pump that much fuel. It doesn't
Yeah, it does.
go through
Remember
like a
when we-
gallon a minute.
Is it? I think she survived.
No,
that.
she still works. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pumps that. I mean, in the beginning, it was the most.
It just needs fuel.
All right, we're taking the fuel sending unit out and we're inspecting the tank, see if it has any fuel left.
I
See
just
what's
tried
going
to
on in there.
unhook the.
Nothing was pumping out, so either
Oh,
our fuel
shoot.
pump's not working,
Might be.
or there's nothing in the tank. So we're gonna take a look.
I'm gonna do a whole shot.
All right, we got Brady's truck somewhat running. Alright. That thing still, it dies at idle and it does not have full power. That thing is so down on power. There, he actually had some power on that round. Thing's so loud with our silencer. It fell off when we were on the dirt road and we just haven't put it back on yet. Stuck?
Yeah.
When?
Just now.
What's hissing?
See.
You hear that?
What?
I feel bad for the neighbors. It's getting some of its power now, but it's still off and on.
I was
Probably.
getting them off the jump. Line it up, Bob.
Yeah, because he's spinning.
Hey, go give me some more fuel.
Gapped. He
He got gapped. Brady gapped Christian. That guy.
That guy I love.
Thing's done.
Alright, this thing is cooked.
Oh my god, what a goon.
What a goon. What a goon.
Alright, guys,
I told you
let's
he wasn't
get
running right.
He's
bro.
never touching that thing for another 2 years.
2 years, yeah. Maybe
This
3.
thing sounds mint.
That's why when you beat on your bikes, they stay running next.
Alright, boys. Hold up a second. That's a blower,
We
You don't need a blower the whole
we hooked fuel line up. We pumped the whole system.
That's our
clean.
fuel setup. System's clean. Fuel's hooked up.
It
You
should
don't
run.
need a...
Alright, see what
Why
happens.
is it open?
Choke? Hold on.
Yeah, why is it wide open? So we're bypassing the dirty tank. The lines are clean
Should be
now.
fine.
I'm gonna see if she can run for us.
Alright. See what happens.
What?
Coming out of here.
Where's here?
Is there
You missing a plug? Why would it just be overflowing?
We need a bolt
There?
there.
There's nothing. Alright, it's like dumping out of the fuel line here too.
And we're out of fuel anyways.
Alright, job for